Yeah. See if he freaks out. Hey, Kay.
Where's my brownie?
Hey.
You didn't get you one.
What'd you guys get?
No brownie for me?
What'd you
I
guys
waited
get?
all night for a brownie and didn't get it? That's very unfair.
What are you eating?
Mommy, somebody gave me yogurt. Oh yeah, China.
Get your stuff?
Yeah.
Hey, I only got one.
Following you. Where's your books?
Hi, how are you tonight?
Did you have a good day?
Yeah. My tooth fell out.
Your tooth fell out?
Yeah.
Mommy, his tooth fell out.
Let me see. Let me see. Smile. Let me
What's
see.
the envelope?
Look up. Uh-oh.
Oh, what does the envelope say?
It says Liam's tooth. Where
Be
is
sure to
it?
hold it away from the camera, okay?
I'm sorry.
So did it hurt?
I'm gonna feel it.
Did it hurt?
Let me see. I want to see. Come here.
It didn't hurt.
How did it fall out? Were you eating something?
I was putting that and it put it out.
Wow. Let me see. Look
Looked
up.
like a pumpkin.
Oh my goodness. Something hurting your mouth?
Because my dad was
You're going to have to put it under your pillow.
You getting ready, Kay? You ready to go?
Sure. That's so exciting. Are you happy? Yeah.
Is that his first tooth?
Well, it's the first one that fell out naturally.
Well, congratulations. You're becoming a man.
Hey, only Kennedy, and Kennedy. No! And Alexis are the only ones here.
Oh, he's so mean.